You've seen the ads, but when it comes to building your next website, is it Squarespace or Universe that truly shines? On one side, we have the all-in-one Squarespace. On the other, the fast-growing Universe for mobile-focused creators. We'll compare them head-to-head in real-world tasks, design flexibility, ease of use, pricing, features, and more. No fluff, no jargon, just what you need to know. Each round, we'll keep score and reveal who comes out on top, and the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive in, let's take a look at what we're actually comparing. We've got price and value, mobile experience, features and flexibility, design and templates, ecosystem and integrations, and of course, ease of use. So yeah, we're covering all the crucial angles. First up, let's talk price and value. Squarespace is pretty straightforward. You know what you're paying, no surprises, and there's a free trial if you want to test drive it. But it starts at $16 a month, paid annually, and there's no real free tier. Universe, on the other hand, has a free plan that gets you online without spending a cent. And if you do want more features, the paid plans are cheaper. Sure, there are upsells and premium add-ons, but honestly, for budget folk, or if you're unsure, Universe makes it ridiculously easy to get started, like right now. So in terms of value, Universe makes it ridiculously easy to get started. Let's jump over to mobile experience. Squarespace is, well, perfectly fine on desktop and tablet, and you can preview your site on mobile, right? But you can't actually build or edit fully from your phone. Universe is purpose-built for this. Like seriously, they turned your phone into a website builder drag. Drop, move blocks around, all with your thumbs. Downside, it's mainly for iOS, so sorry Android users, some features might be out of reach. But if you want a real mobile-first experience, Universe is almost unbeatable here. Features and flexibility. Okay now, this is where Squarespace starts flexing. Rich templates, e-commerce, blogging, scheduling, even member areas. It's got the big toolkit. Some of those features, sure, are locked behind higher priced plans, but the depth is there if you need it. Universe is more basic with that cool block-based design, and yes, you can sell stuff, but forget about advanced stuff like blogs or member-only sections. So yeah, if you want to go bigger, Squarespace is the clear pick. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Universe actually lets you whip up a full website in under a minute right from your phone? For real. That's wild if you're into fast launches or working on the go. On to design and templates. Squarespace has this reputation for gorgeous, award-winning templates. Tons of beautifully customizable options, and you can really go wild with styling. The only nitpick is sometimes those fancy templates feel a little heavy and not quite as snappy on mobile. Universe, way fewer templates, but their whole thing is making basic designs super easy, and you get these clever color and font tools right on your phone. But the grid layout can be kinda limiting if you want to go off script. Still, for sheer style, Squarespace walks away with this one. Ecosystem and integrations now. Squarespace is basically the plug-and-play king here. You need email campaigns, analytics, shipping, or a third-party tool? It probably connects. Sure, it doesn't go full WordPress with a plugin store, but what's there covers most needs. Universe, meanwhile, keeps it simple, with social and payment integrations and not much else. If your business relies on stacking lots of apps and plugins, yeah, Squarespace is hard to beat in this category. Last up, ease of use. Now, this is an interesting toss-up. Squarespace gives you this nice, guided setup and a proper drag-and-drop editor. Honestly, it's easier than people might expect. But when things get advanced, there is a bit of a learning curve. Universe, though, is so dead simple, it's almost fun. You don't need any desktop skills, you don't even need a computer, just play with blocks. I will say, editing larger sites on your phone can get a little tiresome. Both are easy in their own way, so yeah, let's call it a tiresome. Both are easy in their own way, so yeah? Looking at the score radar, Universe runs away with price and mobile, but Squarespace scores big on features, design, and integrations. Honestly, it's a tight battle and totally depends on what's most important for you. Alright, so here's my take. Squarespace is the go-to if you're aiming for a super professional or larger scale project, especially if you need all those extra features and integrations. But if you want to go fast, keep it simple, and do everything straight from your phone. Universe is simply in its own league. For this head-to-head, Squarespace edges out as the overall winner, but Universe is honestly unbeatable for mobile. First, quick hit sites. So don't count it out. Did this help you figure out which builder's your vibe? Follow for more head-to-head battles and website tips.